Oh no, not again!
Catch it!
Oh no, my star jewel is ruined.
It was her favoriteest, most sparkliest thing ever, Horton. And now it's shattered! Shattered! Just like her heart!
I wish I could fix it.
Ellie, I hear you and I can help. We'll take you to find another star jewel for your necklace.
Really?
Elephant's honor.
And bird's word.
La da 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 da, we are gonna help. La da 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 da, we are gonna help. You don't need to worry, we'll help you in a hurry. Hurry! La da 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 da, we are gonna help.
Crystal Cave is all the way over here. There's gotta be a star jewel there. Come on.
Did you hear that, Lindy LaRue? A star jewel? I want one. And you do too, don't you? Let's go get it. Whoa. Ow! Are we there yet?
We're close, but we still have to go through the Bonking Branch Forest.
Bonking? I can't get bonked, Horton. You know I have a delicate beak.
Don't worry. As long as we don't touch the trees, they won't bonk us. Now come on, let's keep going.
Kangaroo coming through.
Jane, slow down.
Watch out! Mind your own, weasel nuts. Ow! Bad branch. Don't bonk my baby. Whoa, I meant to do that. I'm okay.
Horton, the branches are bonking. What now? Turn back, give up, go home. 3 good options.
But what about my star jewel?
We're not turning back. We can do this. Come on, follow me. Jump! Jump! Now stop!
Woo!
Come on! Ha! Big jump!
Big jump!
Dive!
Okay, here I go. Hey, got bombed!
No! We're coming, Ellie! Gotcha!
How are we gonna get out of here?
Hold on tight!
Woohoo!
We did it!
That bonking tree was bonkers.
Now let's go! The Crystal Cave is this way!
Come on, let's zoom!